In this video you will know about creative views.py and how to link up URLs. Creation of HTML file difference between HttpResponse and render. 1. In views.py file we use this command. From Django, shortcuts import HttpResponse or from Django, shortcuts import render. To link in URL we use this command from views import file name. Diff between HttpResponse and render. 1. HttpResponse in Django. Purpose: it's the most basic way to send a response back to the browser. Usage: you give it a string, or bytes, and it sends that directly as the HTTP response body. Example: from Django, HTTP import HTTP response. Def my underscore view. Request, return HTTP response, hello, world. Key point: it doesn't process templates. You have to manually format the HTML if you want to return web pages. 2. Render in Django. Purpose: a shortcut function for returning HTML templates with context data. Usage: it combines loading a template, rendering it with a context dictionary of data, wrapping it in an HTTP response object. Example: from Django, shortcuts import render def my underscore view, request, return render, request, home, HTML. Key point: saves you from writing boilerplate code. You can pass variables, context, to your template for dynamic content. Internally, it still returns an HTTP response object, so render is basically a helper that returns HTTP response with a rendered template. When to use what? Use case: which one to use? Just sending a plain text or a small JSON HTTP response. Rendering HTML templates with variables render.